Hello and welcome back to my channel where we capture my adventures and talk about some gear for the outdoors. Today we're going to discuss eating at camp, especially when backpacking. We all know that bringing a bowl, a cup, or a plate can be a hassle. Well, these fossil bowls and plates are great. They pack out flat, but yet they can create these wonderful things. They are snaps, so they snap apart, making them A, easy to clean, but B, they pack down flat so I can slide these down the back of my backpack for storage, often sticking them in my water reservoir pouch as I don't use one. But to put them back together, it's as simple as 4 snaps, and voila, I've got a bowl, a plate, or a cup. They also have these handy markings on the side for measuring out liquid. They are by Fozzils. So the next time you're in the market for some eating wear while out on trail, consider Fozzils. Think flat, pack flat. I can't recommend these enough. They have been indispensable on trail, and I find them super handy when I need to split a backpacking meal between a couple of people. Thank you for joining us today while we discuss the Fozzils Eatware. If this kind of content interests you, consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, consider hitting the notification button so that YouTube will let you know when I release more content like this. Until next time, I'll see you on trail.